What's up guys, Darren Dyke here with Beyond Slow Motion. If you enjoyed those videos, you can check out more of my videos by clicking this annotation here in the center of the screen. Also, big shout out to Omar Von Muller, Jumpy's trainer, for coming out with Jumpy and letting us film with him. If you want to check out more of his videos, you can go ahead and click on this annotation or the links in the description down below. Also, a big shout out to Alex Duong, who is the epically talented stunt guy helping to do all of these stunts with Jumpy. You can click on his annotation right here on the right side of the screen or in the links in the description down below. These guys both post amazing content and I highly recommend checking out their channels. Anyway guys, until the next video, I'll see you soon.